So, ano siya guys? Late ko sa kasal ni Talay. Malate pa di ay. Ayan na pa ko, and it's currently almost 10. Sad. Time check, 9:57. Madong paghihapon ko with Pia. Pia, say hi to the vlog. Wow, guwapa.
Hindi akong ipangayang pinakis ako Ginong Yesu Cristo ikong anak. Ako yung ariban kanina.
Are you?
Sige lang.
Oo nga. Perception na ba? This is us. After the wedding, charot. This is us. Saturday. Ano yan? Masaya pa ba ang lahat? This is us after eating. Happy pa mi. Duka na. Hi guys! Did you know kapag sikat sa TikTok? Ashley! Ako ang tingnan mo! Ashley! Tingnan mo ako! Ayan! Time check! What time is it? Guys, what time is it? I don't have a watch right now, so I don't know what time is it. And pauwi na kami. Mag-house visit kami for the Mahilong family. Mahilong family, say present when your name is called. Siya di ay.
Nabulang kasaw.
Mga bata na.